Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can customize the Bestie Emojis on your Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Please log into your account if you have not already. After that, tap on the chat icon. Now, select the three icon menu. After that, tap on the customize best friend emojis. Now, tap on the category you want to change the emoji for. After that, select the emoji you want to set. And after that, tap on the arrow icon. And that's it guys, this is how you can change the best friend emojis on your Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.